Good morning. Oh, is that too much? Good morning. It's Saturday morning, 9:15, and we are on the way to Silverstone. Whoop, whoop. The plan was to get up at 6 o'clock so we can leave at 7, but that didn't happen, so we got up at 8 and we left at 9, which is okay. Hopefully the traffic won't be bad. It should take us about 2.5 hours to get there. We're going down the M6, then coming up for a bit, and then going on the M1, and then going down to, I don't really know how to pronounce this, Potterspury or something. That's where we're staying, and then we go into the actual race. I think we made it. How pretty is this? We're here way too early. So we just sat down to have a drink, and Phil just got a pint of Coke, and it's at £3.50 for a pint of Coke. Oh my god. But it's so beautiful in here and so nice and quiet. Hello. We're in the room. Oh my god, I literally don't expect this room to be so nice. So just to backtrack a little bit, we got here like slightly later than we expected because the M1 was an absolute chocker, so we got off a junction early and then just, I don't know, the sat nav took us these back country lanes and whatever. It was so nice though. And then we got here and the room was ready straight away, so we just got in. But oh my god, I put a little clip here somewhere of the room. Like, the room is tiny and the ceilings are so low, but oh, it's so pretty. Like the bed and like the bathroom, it's all, I think the woman said, Tracy, said that they had to do like a renovation or whatever 4 years ago. Good morning. It's Sunday morning and it's the MotoGP day. We've been awake for about an hour, so it's 8 o'clock now. We're just gonna have to get ready and then go get some breakfast and go down to the to Silverstone. It's about 15 minutes away. And I can't wait. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'll see you later. We just had breakfast and just getting in a car and heading to the track. So excited. We just got to the car park. It's only about not even 10 o'clock. It's already almost full. We've literally gone through like all the control lanes we possibly could have. It's so nice. It's meant to be. Oh my god, 30 degrees today, and I cannot wait. Oh my god, it's gonna be such a nice day. So, just a quick check-in. The main race is over. We just came back to the car. Oh my god, it's about 3,000 degrees, but it was so worth it. Oh my god. And now we had to open all the doors in the car. Look at my face, I'm all red. Oh, we got some merch. Oh, I'm sat on it. Ouch. MotoGP merch and Rossi merch. Oh, I slay. Thanks. And unfortunately, Mark has lost by like 2 inches. We left after the main race finished, walked around like the stalls and stuff, and then oh my god, there's way too many people still in there. The Moto2 race, strangely, they put the Moto3, the MotoGP, and then the Moto2 races on now. But we didn't wait for that because, like, I love sun and I love when it's hot, but today is just, I think we've had enough. Used like half a bottle of sunscreen. Oh my god, my nose, I can feel my nose burning. Look at the state of my hair. It was a spot on day though. Gotta get some tea and then go home. And we've got one more night in the place where we're staying and then going home tomorrow. It was the best birthday present ever from my boyfriend. There's a wasp. Oh, I forgot that the window was open. Okay, we gotta get some tea because I think we just need a really cold drink and a bit of shade.
Air conditioning.
Oh yeah, God. Bye bye GP. Morning. Oh, look at us. Can you tell we've been to the GP? Tourists. Oh, it's Monday morning. We're all packed up, cleaned the room, and we're just gonna get some breakfast and go home. This weekend's gone so fast. Oh, it's been so good. Oh my god, I can't stop laughing. We're so beautiful. We're at home finally, 2.5 hours later. To be fair, the journey back felt a lot faster than going up there now because obviously we kind of knew which way to go, and we were going, like, the traffic was flowing a little bit faster as well. Oh, it feels so nice to be back home. However, there are a few things how you can tell that you're back in the north. So first of all, it's literally at least 5 degrees colder. So I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt. We've just been to Aldi and nearly froze. Literally so cold. 2, there is no sunshine. Like, as soon as we cross the north border, it's literally just grey, cloudy. 3, people can't drive for shit. 4, apparently the cup of tea tastes better in here than it did in the south. Yeah. Oh, I've just connected to the Wi-Fi. Great. Okay, well, I guess that's it. I'm loving my look. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you soon. Bye.